Hi, this is Novella from Harmony Burger Cafe, located at 2210 Holly Springs Parkway in Canton, Georgia. Today, I'm going to be taking you on a journey on experiencing what it takes to making a Harmony Burger. All of our burgers are made fresh. Our beef burgers are made with 100% Angus beef. Our standard burgers include lettuce, tomatoes, mayo, meat, cheese, and toasted bun. The steps to making a delicious Harmony Burger include cutting the fresh meat, patting it, seasoning, and grilling. Once the burger is grilled, we prepare a toasted bun, and then we include lettuce, tomatoes, mayo, meat, and cheese to complete building the burger. Please come in and try a delicious, freshly made Harmony Burger.